This is educational, not trading or investment advice, okay? This is entertainment, mainly educational. Future stocks, bond trading of any kind involves substantial risk. You may lose everything you have. Before trading or investments, do your own due diligence. This is not a recommendation to go out and trade with your money, okay? If you do so, you're on your own. If you're watching or listening to this video, you are agreeing to these terms. Okay, let's get to it. Welcome and thanks for stopping by. I'm Digital Micro. You're on the Digital Micro Trading Journal channel, day trading for an ROI payout. Here we are, Wednesday, January 24, 24. News Catalyst, 9:45 a.m. Eastern Standard. Daily affirmation: I see it and understand rigid discipline and rules, flexible in outcome expectations, independent thinker, impeccable risk manager, precision-based trader, responsible business manager. Here we go. Left, Nasdaq, E-mini. Middle, S&P 500, E-mini. And then dollar. So what we've got here is, you can see from consolidation previous video to another all-time high in both the equity indices, with the dollar retreating lower. So what did we leave behind on the AS Mini? It was a volume imbalance gap between the prior day and the day before. On Wednesday, it looks like we're going to be really on a gap open, a gap up also. Don't forget the 9:40 a.m. catalyst. It's not a gigantic one, but it's an important one, and it's just at a weird time at 9:45. So we've been up prior day afternoon, PM session, we've been up Asia, we've been up London, and here we are in the New York kill zone. We're still maintaining that up. So let's look and be patient here till the 10 a.m. Eastern Standard. Let's let the catalyst play out and see where price goes. But let's look at the levels right now on next chart. We have the benchmark. So this really illustrates from the afternoon prior day, we had this zone where it was just totally consolidation, and that came in at 48.81. We kept bouncing above, below, but that was the median level. Now we've gone from the PM low at that level, and we've gone to a high, at least the bodies of the candle high, at 49.1750. Equilibrium is at 48.9950. So 4,900 is going to be a big deal if we can get back to that. London opened up at 49.13. New York midnight open 49.0550 for New York midnight open. The high of the day for the prior day was 48.97.50. Prior day, it was just below 48.98.25. So there you have it. These are the zones. No predictions. Just want to see the time zones. So we're in the New York kill zone now, but the New York AM session, 8:30 to noon. We'll see there. We'll look for the silver bullet and see if we have a setup on the silver bullet. That's all I got. I want to shout out, thanks for the support of the OG subscribers, and welcome all 2024 subscribers. Really appreciate your subscriptions, and you're what keep me going doing these videos. Aloha and take care. Bye.